Okay, welcome to Mtare TV. Welcome to Mtare TV, and today's video we're going to look at physics paper 1. Okay, so if I go in further, let me just give a quick summary of the entire video. By the end of this video, you should be able to know how to find acceleration using the formula for finding what force. Okay, that's the main lesson in this video. So before I go any further, let's look at the question. Okay, so the question reads, the diagram below shows a force of 20 newtons being used to pull an object of weight 50 newtons along a rough surface, resulting in a friction force of 5.0 newtons. Okay, that's the statement, and this is what our diagram right there. So the question goes on saying, what is the acceleration produced in the object? So we're going to use the formula for finding force to get our acceleration. So our force, we know that force is equal to mass times acceleration. And just write my A properly. Mass times acceleration. Okay, so let's look at the question, get some information from the question. Okay, so first thing we need to find is our force, which is the net force. So how to define the net force? Net force is equal to forward force, which is the 20 newton in this one, minus the backward force, which is the friction opposing the motion. So subtract by by 5. The difference there is 15 newtons. That is our net force. Oh, pardon, writing my small letter f, it's supposed to be capital letter F there. Okay, so I found our force. The next thing we need to find is our mass. So how do we convert weight into mass? You simply divide the weight by by 10. That's how you get your mass. So here, looking at the question given us, we have 50.0 newton. That is the weight, right? So to convert it in mass, you simply divide this figure by by 10. So in this case, if you divide 50 by 10, you're going to get You're going to get 5. So our mass will be 5 kg. That's how you change weight into into mass. So it's 5 kg. So now we know that we have our mass and our force. We can go back to the formula. Then we can substitute in the formula what we have found. Our force we have found is It's 15 newtons. Our mass I found is 5. Multiply with our acceleration. So you're going to say 15 is equals to 5 5A. Okay, so continue solving there. You can divide 5 by both sides so that we remain with A on the other side. That one will cancel, that one will cancel that one, that one also cancel that one. We want to remain with our A, which is acceleration, is equal to 5 into 15, you're going to get 3. Using the units for acceleration is meters a second squared. Okay, so we know that acceleration is 3 meters per second squared. Let's look at the options. You see if you have this kind of answer there. And yes, indeed we have, which is option D. Okay, thank you for watching Elementary TV. I hope you have learned one or two things in this video. Remember to leave a comment on the lesson you want to learn from Elementary TV for free. I repeat, as long as you comment, you like, that's the only condition.